Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe is a pioneer in wireless home security. It's engineered to deliver robust, whole home protection, and yet it's surprisingly simple to install and use. More than 1 million homes and over 100,000 businesses are protected by SimpliSafe. Our award-winning systems are made up of an arsenal of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size home and help protect every inch of it. And it's all backed by professional monitoring, a team of individuals who are trained to keep you and your family safe by ensuring emergency responders get to your home quickly when you need them most. At SimpliSafe, our goal is simple: to make sure you always feel safe by keeping you safe.
SimpliSafe on.
Welcome to Ring Alarm. We're glad you're one of our neighbors. Ring Alarm puts a ring of security in and around your home using different types of security devices. The base station provides security for your entire home. The contact sensor monitors a door or window in your home. The motion detector watches a room inside your house for motion. The keypad is the physical control panel for Ring Alarm. The range extender expands your network so a distant device can talk to the base station. Together, all these devices make up Ring Alarm. Your Ring Alarm system monitors sensors to put a ring of security in and around your home. Ring Alarm includes 3 security modes to fit your needs. Away monitors all the sensors in and around your home, giving you the most security when you're not there. Home monitors sensors around your home, but ignores the ones inside, giving you freedom to move around your home. Disarmed doesn't monitor any sensors, allowing you to go in and out easily. These 3 modes allow you to keep your home security in sync with you. You can change your security mode from the Ring app or keypad. To change modes using the app, open the dashboard, then tap the new mode. To change modes on the keypad, enter your 4-digit access code, then choose the new mode. As an owner, you can add shared users and assign each of them unique 4-digit access codes. When Ring Alarm is set to Away and Armed or Home and Armed, it monitors sensors in your home. If a door opens or a sensor detects motion, the system will alarm. If you're signed up for professional monitoring and out of the 7-day practice mode, you'll get a call asking if everything's okay. If you can't be reached, the monitoring center will call your other emergency contact. If either you or your emergency contact confirm things are wrong or give an incorrect verbal password, the local authorities will be dispatched to you. When they come, they'll make sure you're okay, then walk you through the premises to check the area. If the authorities are dispatched but find nothing wrong, you may be charged a false alarm fee. There are a few things you can do to eliminate false alarms. First, make sure your emergency contact's information is up to date and that they know your verbal password. The verbal password lets the alarm company know that the person they're talking to is authorized to make decisions about your safety. You can change it in the monitoring settings of your Ring app. Second, make sure that you've installed your sensors properly. Finally, review the system with your family and be sure they understand how to use Ring Alarm and its security modes. Welcome to our neighborhood. With Ring, you're always home.
Arlo smart home security products protect your home with wire-free HD weatherproof cameras. The new Arlo Pro 2 camera gives you all the benefits of the Arlo wire-free camera line, like excellent battery life and free cloud recordings, but with added features and flexibility. Arlo Pro 2 cameras monitor and record video in 1080p resolution, delivering crisp HD video that lets you zoom in with more detail while still maintaining great battery life. You can use Arlo Pro 2 wire-free cameras indoors, or you can take advantage of its weatherproof design and flexible power options like the Arlo solar panel to use it outdoors. When you plug your Arlo Pro 2 camera directly into a power outlet, you unlock a host of additional features. When it's plugged in, Arlo Pro 2 detects motion even faster by using the Look Back feature. Look Back processes and records captured video from moments before motion activity is detected. This creates a continuous recording with a few seconds of footage before the triggered event, giving you a complete picture of what happened. If you want to create a custom activity zone, plug the Arlo Pro 2 into an outlet and select the specific zones you want to monitor inside the app. You'll get notifications about any activity in that zone directly on your phone. As a seamless part of your smart home experience, Arlo Pro 2 works with Amazon Alexa devices. Using your voice, you can ask Alexa to play a live stream of your cameras through the Amazon Echo Show or Fire TV that's connected to your big screen TV. For example, if you're busy and someone knocks on your door, Alexa, show me the front door camera. The Arlo Pro 2 camera instantly plays a live video feed on your Echo Show screen or TV, giving you a full view of what's going on in real time. Arlo Pro 2 is the convenient, easy-to-use home HD security camera that can be used wire-free or plugged in while providing smart features and crisp HD video.
Hey, sweetie. How's school going? I miss you too, sweetie. Hold on one sec.